Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up online account access with Credit One. Let's get straight into the video. The first step is to gather the required information, and that information includes credit card number, the expiration date, a security code, and your social security number or your individual taxpayer identification number. And also you're going to need to choose an email address to associate with your online account. Now, assuming that you have all of these ready, next step is to enroll in online account access. And how you want to do that is to first go to the Credit One website, and then you want to look for the enroll button and click on that, and then just enter your credit card number, expiration date, and security code, and then just enter your social security number or your individual taxpayer identification number, as well as your email address. And then you want to choose a unique username and password to access your online accounts. Next is to verify your identity. So you want to answer security questions to verify your identity, and then you need to verify your email address by clicking on the verification link that's going to be sent by Credit One. And once you're done with that, you need to set up account preferences. So you have account settings where you can review and update your account settings, including paperless statements and account alerts. They also have payment settings, so you can set up payment preferences, including automatic payments and payment reminders. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up online account access with Credit One. Hope you guys found the video useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.